Okay, welcome back to the vlog. Titration with Natalie and Isabella.
Okay, so step one.
Step one is make sure that your burette is closed.
Okay.
You can't.
This is like crazy posture.
Oh, this is not a good angle. But it's all good.
You know, a little over. We can let it out.
It'll end up being okay.
It'll be okay because we didn't need that extra.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna get it down to like some more. Okay, so what are we gonna do first? Which indicator? I say we used to say phenolphthalein for last.
Yes. Okay, that's like the grand
That's our
finale.
redemption.
That's our I can't get a good like.
When we start, we can like put it like right here because we'll both be like.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Okay.
Okay, we can like start with that one.
So basically what this lab is about is we have a known molarity of HCl, we have a known molarity of NaOH, and we have a bunch of different indicators, and we want to see what indicator gets us closest to the actual molarity of our HCl.
Yes.
And so yeah.
So how much HCl do we need?
I don't know if it like really matters. We just have to like pick an amount.
Okay, how much did we use last time?
Okay. That seems like as good of an amount as any.
We're experts with this.
Yes. I always feel like it's not on all the way.
Can it open?
It doesn't say anything on it.
No.
Okay.
So it has to be sealed tight because it's a chemical.
Wow. Safety.
I feel like this should stay on it. We'll handle that later.
So what we're going to do right now is we're going to take our HCl and put it into this Erlenmeyer flask. So using a volumetric pipette, if I can get it to work. There we go.
We're gonna go to this line.
Which line? That line.
That line.
I did not see where it was.
So it's like, it's off camera, so like you guys won't know if we're accurate or not.
Yeah, but trust
the chemist.
Trust we're accurate.
Trust the chemist.
That's our middle name.
You know, we just know we got a 5 on the exam. Or maybe the like. Okay. Oh, maybe lift up and see if it. What the heck? Is it like the volume? Is that the issue? So maybe just go at the top. Because remember, when we would do it before, we would like stick the thing and it would be in like a little beaker. And it would be at like the bottom. So like, maybe don't stick it all the way in. So maybe just like there and then start down. Why couldn't they make these things more like not sensitive?
Yeah.
This is the hardest part.
It is, guys.
I maybe shouldn't be touching my face. Okay. Oh, damn. There we go.
Okay, so now we're gonna put it into the.
Real Meyer.
Yay.
Okay, no, we can do it each time. I was like, should we just get that part over for each of them? It's an experience. To avoid like drippage.
Okay.
Okay, also, maybe we should like.
Yes, for sure. Here, we can move because we don't need this.
Yeah, I mean, like we might when we have to measure out this, but like right now we don't. Okay. We need a pipette. We need pipettes, sorry.
What'd you say?
Pipettes. We need that, right? Okay. Alright, who wants to ask what pipettes are? I feel like we can just go grab one.
Where are the pipettes? Look at the back cabinet, like this over there.
Okay. So I want us to do this one first.
Yes. Pipette.
So
How many drops?
3 to 4.
3 or 4?
I assume it's the same for all of them.
Probably. I mean, you have to do the same.
Well, yeah. Okay.
95?
Okay, and don't drink it.
Riley Morris isn't in here, so.
So we're all good. Don't need to worry about that. Ooh, pretty.
Pretty.
Three.
And do 4?
Yeah.
That's
sure.
like 3.5.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Okay, wait, what color is this supposed to turn?
It's supposed to go yellow to blue. So should we?
Okay, no.
Oh, we should like bring it more towards the edge.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Because we get.
I'm trying to see if I can this monitor work, I'm not sure.
Oh, you plug in your Chromebook?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, should we find like
So
an
whenever
index card or
you-
something to put underneath?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, true. So whenever you get done with technology surgery, do we want to look at the lab practicum
We can.
and just see if there's any chemicals we want to switch or take out?
Yeah, we're doing that tomorrow.
Yes.
So we need
And-
to know what we're doing and know what's print.
Yes.
How Isabella and
And
Natalie
see, I didn't know,
answers.
do you think we're going to have roads today?
I thought we might. Does she have a test?
Okay,
this
so
afternoon?
initial volume
I don't know
of
what-
NaOH,
I know couch right now.
10
She doesn't
milliliters.
have couch, took that last year.
Oh,
Wait.
crap, your second box going to be fancy.
I have no idea.
Okay, what is today? Oh no, it's just out in the morning, that's it.
Okay. So, mine's have
10
Rose.
milliliters of
Okay.
HCl.
I saw Rose.
Did you see Rose?
Oh, and she's skipping our class? Interesting.
Oh, I think I saw Rose.
Yeah.
She doesn't really have our class, but she's always here in first block, because she gets up, gets craft, and, you know, he's kind of done.
Yeah, because I was thinking Rose
Okay.
could set
Okay.
like the lab order and like that. And then
Okay,
we could do
so that's what
the-
we do.
Okay.
Let's just. Oh, wait.
She can do
So,
whatever.
Yeah, that's what
We're
I
just
say, she's
gonna
not gonna like browse out.
go.
So wait, we have to see
So
the
I feel
initial
like-
volume.
But okay.
Okay.
so we'll
Oh,
look at that,
that's very
And
important.
then we can
Hold on, we can
print
lower it again.
tomorrow.
Should probably do the eye level or whatever.
Because yeah, I have
That-
no party, so I'm definitely here for that.
looks like 1 milliliter?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know I did that.
But now I'm like
Not
starting to
flex.
think, I don't know how much more I have to print. Do I want to spend the $40 on it or do I want to return it?
Oh,
Okay.
So do you want to
I
be
mean-
swirling or
Over the
dispensing?
weekend,
I think I can
then
dispense.
I gotta keep this going, right?
I'll swirl.
huh?
Okay.
It has to stay.
No.
So
Our monitor will
It's
be on.
titration time.
But
let me just find the hole.
just the computer.
Yeah, they came in and turned us off over the weekend.
I
Just
saw
need to
that,
change
but
it
does
a
that
little
mean
bit.
I still need to keep it plugged in though to the network and everything?
Well, if it's off, it's not gonna receive anything.
So we can.
Hello?
Use that power strip?
Where's the
I think so. At this point, so I think the last time I talked to Rachel, they're gonna have to come and wipe everything.
Yeah, that's what she told me.
Yeah, so I feel like they're not worried about anything, they're just gonna come and wipe our hard drive and reset. Apparently.
Okay, that
they
looks a
may
little
be reconnecting
bluish.
our network.
Am I going crazy?
Restart.
You're going crazy.
Okay, never mind then.
She acted like they were gonna spend.
Do I know what that means? No.
Well, I mean, she acted like they were spending the whole summer just.
Wait,
reformatting
that's a
every
little
single
bluish
thing.
for
That's why
sure.
they're trying to keep everything off the
Okay, but now
network
it's
so
not
that
there
there's not anything
Okay,
else
I see the
affected.
change
Yeah.
happening slowly.
Okay.
So we'll see about that.
Yeah, I'll look at it in a few.
It's okay.
Gotta print the
It's
practice
important to like
test
do it
for
once so that you
organic.
can kind of see what the
Okay.
volume's gonna
Do
be.
you have it done yet?
That's pretty though.
Yeah, I made
That
it
is a
last
pretty
night.
color.
Okay.
So, yeah, I just
Okay,
gotta print it.
okay,
email
so
it
this
to
was
myself.
went to
So you can print, if we don't get rows.
That sounds really
12.01 or 05.
Huh,
12 points.
okay.
Maybe 12.05.
And then I can help staple as you look. But my kids are working on their project.
This is cute.
Okay, so we need to get like a way speaker and do this one again so that we can find the average.
It gives like cleaner.
true. I need to make it high enough so they have to avoid it.
I would just take the power strip like on your little rose desk.
It's right there.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm hearing noise from my room, let me go.
Okay.
Waste speaker. Okay.
So I brought over those three. If we wanna do the phenol red, then we gotta mix it up, but it looks like we just mix it with water, so it depends on if you guys wanna do 4 or just 3.
Okay. Okay.
So let's get more HCl. This is our HCl one, and I moved the HCl over here.
Yep, that's how I feel too.
Oh, can you? Oh, never mind. I got it.
You got it. Woman in STEM, right here.
We are.
That's fire. Good job.
Okay.
I didn't help like at all. But
Okay. Trial 2, and we're initially at 2.5.
so when you measure for the little lab, gotta go to
What'd you say? Sorry.
we gotta go to oh shit. Boom. 3.5.
Perfect.
Do you want to switch roles or you want to keep?
Let's for this experiment, let's keep everything.
Okay. And how many? Wait. 1 to 12. Sounds like we used about 11.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna go to like 18 and then I'll start slowing down. Okay. Time to log in.
Wait, hold on for me. We're very close. I can feel it.
Sorry, I'm trying.
No, you're good. I don't want you to like not be able to see the drips.
I just always overreact. That's worse than the first time.
Okay, third time we're gonna get it right.
If you keep mixing it, maybe it'll go away.
So we're at 23.2. Does that look good?
Yeah, like 23.28.
Okay.
You gotta go to the second sip or whatever.
Freaking HCl one more time.
I can do it if you don't want to.
Okay, I'll finish it out for this one. And
Okay.
then for the next one,
I
we'll
can
switch.
I got it. Alright. Parker's gonna come in. He's gonna be like, how'd it go, guys?
Great. This is only our first.
See, they don't know that that's like not the color it's meant to be.
So true.
Like that could.
Well, based on our reactions to it.
Oh, we should
She'll
just,
probably.
like, edit like smiley faces.
Yeah?
That feels fine. Okay. Alright, bromethanol blue.
Okay, this is our final trial.
This is our final. So you gotta act right. Okay. Go down to like 30. Okay.
You know what? It's all good because this is on the indicator we should have been using anyway for this titration. So So like it'll just be like.
She's right.
So what are we at? Can you?
34, like, 0.499. 34? No, I lied. 34.499. No, 0.49.
Okay. So I mean, like we were consistent because we used about 11 every single time.
So that means it's the indicator's fault, not mine.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what they say? Consistency is key in science, and nobody is more consistent than Natalie and Isabella.
Exactly.
Okay. So for this next different flask, yeah.
So, like, we can like put them in order what we're thinking in case we decide we want to redo anything.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so make sure you switch your flasks to not have cross-contamination.
Yes, absolutely. And we're just gonna do the same thing.
Yes.
Do you want to add some more of this?
Oh, yeah. Yes, thank you.
So I think that's good. You know what? It's all good. It's all fine.
Okay.
So we're just gonna.
My mascara's getting in my eye.
Where's the air?
Okay. Are you okay? Yeah. Mascara's in my eye a little bit. Gloves are a little wet. I'm glad we got It's been a long week.
It's Monday.
Don't put that in the
I'll cut this part out.
We should make like a
Blooper reel. Titration bloopers.
This is the funniest thing ever.
Okay.
It's untucked earlier than I normally wake up. So something why.
I don't know what they were having our test.
What is it?
They said I don't know what they were having our test. I'm not sure who's gonna be here.
Can we do it on Wednesday?
Wednesday? You think that's gonna be the day we have the quiz? Wednesday could be fine, because then I'm probably gonna have the quizzes from Friday done. I don't know.
That'll be great. I mean, personally, there's a good work for you.
Today's calc and tomorrow's.
Dang it.
Then
You know, I knew something was up.
computers
Okay, back after a brief detour.
Detour.
Versus giving
So what do we need to do now?
We need to put
HCl in
HCl,
there.
and I can do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Go, Queen.
That's look pretty good.
So tomorrow we won't have you, right?
What is it?
Tomorrow you won't be here, because you'll be taking a test.
I'll be here for the
Oh, really?
I'll just leave.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna use the Brom Cressol Purple for this time, and it should go from yellow to purple between 5.2 and 6.8.
I would love to.
But if you need a brain break and just need to do something.
I I might be the brain
Looks like have her hands.
Okay.
I might be brain related.
And it's gonna go from
Sometimes
yellow
about
to purple.
Yes, that much.
And then what is the initial volume?
17.61. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll just have to fix my mascara later.
So this is HCl in here.
Is that something like?
Having you in class, even
Oh.
though you did ditch me from over here all the time.
And then, so after you wrote this, I
Yeah.
was kind of, I felt guilty.
Oh, you don't have to tease, I was trying to tease you.
But then at this point, I'm like, what am I gonna do? I mean,
Right, yeah.
like, I don't
Was he,
even have
but he
a
was
week.
here today.
He was here today.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't even go because I thought that he would have a sub, and I didn't want to deal with a sub. Like,
So, are you getting absent today?
yeah, but it'll be all good.
I would just stop in and tell him you're actually here.
Okay.
Probably won't mark you absent. I feel like, and if he says, well, how do I know? Always ask me,
We approved this video?
Yes. Alright, where's your back?
Yeah, we need to. Alright, do you want to do it now and I can swirl?
Okay. Don't be mad at me.
I won't. And if you do really bad the first time, do you want to go on this side?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. So my thing is, you can see the hole.
Yeah.
So I like to keep it right there, so
Yeah.
it's really easy. And then the first one is just kind of see what the volume is.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, wait, I want to swirl with my right hand, but I'm just gonna actually. Oh, that's fine. So it's meant to turn purple, so we should know.
Yeah. And purple's basically pink, so this is like a warm up.
Oh yeah, you're so right. Yeah, I like the drops.
Okay, we're so close. That was good.
This is really good. This is
wow.
Do you guys see the color? Wait, I want to take a picture of it. This is good. That's
Wow. Okay.
Oh, can we put these together?
I'm
Actually, we doing it. This just blows up. Guys, this is crazy.
go. I think I leaned on something and now my shirt's wet.
Hey, anything for chemistry, bro. Wow, look at this, guys.
Wow.
This feels really good.
Yeah, I'm happy about
Like,
that.
see, this was our test run. This blue.
So how much did we use?
Oh, good point.
So
It's
now
at,
it's at 27 point.
like 27.1. 0.1. Sorry.
So we're gonna use about 10.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's a fire calculation. We're gonna do good next time.
I
too.
do want to show her just to be like,
We can do it.
well, just to make sure we can. Here, let me see if there's something on the label saying don't ever mix this with.
Oh.
Here, because this is gonna take forever if we don't. So I'm just gonna pop the pictures on the passport.
Oh, come on. Because if you was for LGMG, you'd be like, oh, it depends, which ones.
Okay. Wow.
Kapow! And then it just like turned orange.
Start smoking.
It's like, oh, two guys. Oh, it's so weird. She's like,
We started a fight.
Really?
Yes, it was in my scissors.
Okay, I'm done though.
Okay, let me see. What are y'all doing? Titration?
Yeah.
Titration.
How'd it go?
Well,
Okay, you
we're-
missed the
we're-
like good one. You can come in the video. You want to be a guest star?
Absolutely not.
We're testing different indicators to see which one gets us the closest.
Ooh, okay.
To like the volume it's supposed to.
Which titration did y'all do?
An AOH and HCl.
Boring.
Okay, so we have personal beef with this titration.
Yeah, this is
so-
the one that we did
Really?
8 times and we wanted to get it perfect and we
We did
never
it-
got it perfect. So
Oh, you guys are those weird girls that Miss Barbara was talking about.
Okay,
okay.
This thing about
yeah.
it.
So Chloe was also one of them.
yeah, and she was the one that made us stop. So
Okay. This is something, are you guys doing, well, I know what you're doing. What are you doing in college, do you think?
I don't. Maybe like, I think I want to go into like anesthesiology.
Oh, you will do a titration in college then?
So
Yeah.
I'll major in something sciencey for my undergrad.
Because we did a titration, and I never did one in my AP Chem class because we had moved too fast.
Really?
So I had no idea what was going on. And everyone's like, oh yeah, titration. I'm like, a tie what? So no, you'll be one of those kids that knows.
Oh yeah, I'll be an expert.
Mm. And then Natalie's just going to get a 5 on this exam, so that'll be her lab credit. For her
I actually
class,
don't
she'll
know
be
if I'm
fine.
gonna get a 5 because I'm worried about the amount of work that I showed on my FRQs. Because I tried.
They don't mean like a lot.
Okay, because they were like, don't use it as scratch paper. So, and then.
Okay, so here's the thing. People across the country are like super mad at that wording because some people didn't show any work. They just put the answer
Yeah.
and they put it on the scratch paper, which isn't graded.
Yeah. I mean, I tried to like show like my reasoning to get there, but I'm like, I
So
was
what
worried
they
it would be,
meant
like-
is if you know you're just brainstorming and you don't need it as part of your answer, don't put that because the FRQ booklet's small. But no, it messed up a lot of people.
Yeah.
It was bad.
I drew them a dog on one of them.
Oh yeah. They'll look at those and see. One of my friends is actually an AP reader all the time, and he's like, it's nice sometimes to have like the little notes, be like, hey, I'm sorry for what you're about to have to read. Yeah.
One of them, I didn't know how to do it, so I just like wrote numbers.
I'd be like that. Are you guys doing audio for your video or just video?
Oh,
Just-
audio.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a video.
it's a video.
Okay. Fun times.
A lot of it's probably gonna get cut out though.
Okay, good.
Like,
So I won't like talk bad about y'all on the video. That'd be rough.
Oh no, this is
I'll just
getting
wait till I'm out
sent.
of earshot to say you guys know.
Okay. Let's go.
Oh wait, this is mine.
oh,
Yeah, I got it. Okay. Where's the
okay.
Ready?
Okay, so
Do you want me to like tell you when you get close, or?
Yeah. Tell me when I get to like.
Hold on, I need to
So
twist
you
it.
think you're gonna be here first watch tomorrow?
Okay.
I will do
Okay. So we may get you to help us with a lab practicum.
I've heard.
Okay.
I would
Good.
love to.
Perfect.
We're on mental
Okay,
days.
we're at 30 now.
Oh, really? Or, yeah.
Okay. We're at 35, so we need to look.
I'm gonna get to where I got the drops. Those are a little bit fatter drops than I would have liked, but it's all good.
It's funny how I can find stuff on here, and I go to the printer and I don't see it. But it's here. One more time.
I think that's pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that better than last time?
Yeah, I think that's definitely better than last time. Look, when you hold it up, you can't even. I mean, you can kind of tell,
Yeah.
but like.
When I like swirl it.
Yeah. Sick. So that's.
I just putting my blue hand behind it doesn't help. Okay, we're at 38.29.
This is the part that I hate. Like,
Yeah. That's what Chloe was before.
Sure. Of course. I like this color yellow. It's like a nice warm, like.
Yes. It's like red, but then when you get it, it's yellow.
I put 4. Those were kind of big drops, but it's all right.
That just means it's gonna might happen a bit quicker.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I wonder if there's like an experiment where you just put like we should try that. We put like a lot of indicator and see how quick it turns.
Okay. Let me find where the hole is. That's what she had.
All right.
Sorry, I forgot your reminder. Haha. So it was at 38.
Yeah.
So I should, when it gets to about here, I should lock in.
Yeah. So there's. Yeah. How do you show up to school that late? Like at that point, just go to like. It's okay before he's Sorry.
You're okay.
I feel like
That's
pretty good.
one of the best you've done so far, I think.
Oh, maybe it's just like a class. That's a lot of kids.
Oh, I think it's 9:50, so it's time for the, because we're on Mental Monday today, I think.
Oh. That's stupid.
So, okay.
Oh.
What's our
Oh, we kind of need
49.51?
Yeah, I can agree with that.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I think we need more NaOH. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave that up to you.
Okay.
I still can't figure out where my transparency is going because I thought they were on the top here.
So, yeah.
Hidden it from myself, I guess.
Where's my?
It was funny the other day, Mr. Klein's like, I think you took my Chromebook. So if you left it on the counter, I probably just shoved it in a drawer trying to clean it up.
I'm actually gonna
I said, so check my drawers because that's where I put all the extra
move
drawers.
this over here.
Okay.
Yeah, just like I just want my
And then
desk.
where's the NaOH? Where do we put it? Right here.
Okay, family time. Do you want to do the one where it's like
We know what Matthew has.
we can make it? We can do that.
He has crowd in at some point, doesn't he? That's her.
What class? The principals or with the whatever? The second one for computer
I don't
science?
know, I think it's the first one.
Second one is third block.
I don't know where the hole is.
Wait, I do think he has first lunch, I think.
Okay.
So that's either math or whatever else is first lunch. Because I see him at lunch sometimes.
Okay.
I think.
I feel like he has craft in at some point,
Maybe third. Maybe that's because my friend has craft in third and I eat lunch with her.
and they eat first lunch.
And yeah.
mean, I'm sure I can find it, I just don't have access to him, it's not my student.
Okay. So,
I wanna give him a sign.
what do we make? Robert, how do we make this solid concoction?
Yeah. You should get one of those metal things that you used to scoop up. Yay! Thanks for keeping off all the lists, don't they? What was it, an honor or something that you didn't get? Yeah.
Oh? Really?
Yeah. He's like, okay, I guess I don't get one. So then he went and asked, and they're like, oh, yeah, sure. No, they just forgot to put it, the same on the list.
Okay.
And I mean, that's pretty obvious because aren't there just how many, like 25? Yeah, I like, there's a set number. So you would think that like, oh, we only have 24, who's the 25th person?
They would not even count.
Like with STEM, you know, like it could be 5 one year or 12 another. Urea? I think so. Yeah, I think so. I can double check. I'm pretty sure.
We did not. I'll grab it.
어떤 놈이냐? 얼굴이 보이는데 아는 애네.
그러니까 아니 어떻게 된 거냐면 그 가다가
Don't you have a, like a paper or film or something?
내가 어떻게 했냐면
Is that what it says? That's two. In here?
그래서 넣었는데 사람이
And then besides that, they would.
멈춰서
Oh, just like, I don't know, so. You're thinking it's no, we're sorry.
No, it's okay. Here. We got
Like rubber?
답답한 얘.
She's looking it up for us. Okay. Oh, it's a little bad. It's okay.
Alright, so the slide we
리액션 하는 거.
아니 예쁘는 거
Okay. So that
All right. So the class is in here now. Ooh, I look patriotic. I forgot I had these on.
Oh, sick. Oh, no, don't ever.
Well, I can project so you can see what you need to do, but it says you take 1 gram and 14.2.
Or we can start on whatever. I'm fine with.
And
Yeah, I
anyway,
think so we had threads.
We got it.
얼굴 보니까 아는 사람이라 가지고.
We did 2 in a block.
모르는 사람 있으면
Yeah, so he added some.
this one looks better.
내가 처음 내면서 너무 살짝 그래서 내가 얘를 봐가지고
아이씨 얼굴 보자마자 풀렸어. 모르는 사람이 그냥 먼저 못하는 끝났는데.
야나 저거 솔직히 몰라서
아니 전진이 사람이 되면 좋잖아.
Okay, we can go grab another one. This is 25 milliliters.
So we probably need. It should be enough, but I feel like we should go a little bigger.
Yeah, okay.
So that one's so clean. So I feel like we can put that one back.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I like these. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Yeah, I like these.
And the practice problems or the things that we don't have to go over.
Like that's just like, or no, you do these.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I haven't done like.
That's okay. Yeah, I like these. These are good. They work. That's what's important.
Yeah, he has everything.
Can we do out? Okay. 0.1 grams. You can measure that.
Yeah.
Oh wait, should we? I mean, we're just measuring.
So like,
Yeah,
we do
okay,
this on
we've
like
been
a
walking in and
whiteboard,
out of the camera
or we
the
do
entire
like
time,
paper.
So she doesn't actually create it out. Like,
Say 1 gram or 0.1 gram?
so when I edit,
So that's like
I
barely
kind of
any.
like have the problems.
Which makes sense.
in the corner.
Oh,
I can,
That's like a-
I can search
that's
it,
like towards the
print
bottom.
these out, like I can put these on another
If they did
like
that on
doc, and I can print these out, like.
Yeah.
So we can honestly, we can probably film tomorrow,
Yeah.
and then figure out what we need for the lab today, like all the materials.
So I've already asked this manager and she said she has everything.
Oh, okay,
That was
awesome.
so.
So we could,
so it's a little bit more than I thought it would be.
unless we, well, Brenton's not here, but he was part of it. So I'll print out these.
Okay, so I'll make a lab report.
Okay.
Huh? What?
I mean, this can just be this in there.
I don't know how it went up. Oh, it's
Because when you
add
put pressure on it. Oh, it's gonna. It's the wind.
You're right.
Okay.
There we go. Perfect.
So we need 2.82 milliliters of NaOH. Okay, we have to have a more exact. Maybe we should have grabbed Brenton's calc exam. He's doing his calc exam. Maybe we should go get another small.
Joe, can share your wix at?
So I can get.
When do you want to chat with?
Sure.
An hour later.
No, we can do it now. I don't know where I put it.
Okay.
Oh, it's right here.
I didn't know when you were gonna start teaching. Or
I'm
if you
not
are.
teaching.
Okay.
I'm just giving out practice tips.
Ooh, cool.
Yes.
Okay, here, I'll say, or do you want me to roll?
Sure. Like pipe, like volumetric, I believe.
Oh, that's 10.
You're right. Okay.
The pages.
So
We need minutes.
Just like the water.
we need 2.82.
Yes.
Okay.
Well,
You know, they, like name tags and everything didn't turn out right and all that stuff.
Oh, the little neck, yeah. Well, Brian, he got his.
actually, we need
Wait.
Yeah.
Does
I
it say
think
what
I
the
have
polarity of this one?
0.1.
Okay.
Well, not on here right now, but I think my dad has
Maybe
one.
there's 2.
oh, I see.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all set. I'll keep saying.
Whatever you say with me on Friday.
We want to go a little bit above
One, and I almost came over here and.
that third line.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes I'll feel it, I'm like, oh, I should have that low.
Okay. Oh, here we go. You already labeled these.
So where are we mixing this up in? This graduated
I
cylinder?
think the big one, yeah.
Okay.
So, okay, go ahead and put that in. And then we need 20 milliliters of ethanol, but we dissolve this first.
Okay.
Or you can add, I don't know. I don't think it matters. Okay, so we need 20 milliliters of that. So I think we can volumetric like that. Okay.
I'll grab them up.
Okay, so that's gonna be like, and I'll go back. So could you put it in there and shut it? We don't have to watch it, right? So we're not supposed to watch it. You just stick it in there and let it go.
Okay, so, oh,
You're supposed to
wow,
watch it?
blood.
I know.
Okay, so you said 20 milliliters of this?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're not
all good. Where is it?
which is pretty much any kind of This type of bulb. No, it's a specific type of bulb because it's a type of radiation. It's not just a color.
See him coming up.
How's it going?
Pretty good. We've been filming for 51 minutes.
Holy smokes. How long have y'all been here?
Since first blood. It's like refusing to take, it's not taking any. So you wanna try?
Get a different one. Are y'all trying to get it out?
No, we're trying to get it.
No, like out of the
Yeah.
jug.
Yeah, I'll bring it.
Oh, can't even go like in.
Jace, were you on the teacher superlative page? Were you on the teacher superlative page? I want you to look at the teacher superlative.
You know, I don't mean to just use another one. That one obviously didn't work. And it's obviously not our fault.
Yeah, because nothing's ever our fault, because we're really good at science.
Exactly.
Yeah, do you? Most likely. Most likely. That's what I thought. That should be Coach English.
I can grab that. Yep, I'll grab that.
So what was the pipe?
Do you know what malaria is?
Your name is King.
So you have to decide what.
Where's the water?
Like control.
Okay, yeah, but you need to know a number.
I feel like one of the variables.
Wait, can you see
Okay.
my pictures in there for like the senior class?
Are you okay if I run to the camera closet real quick?
Yeah.
Alright,
So we never like.
I'm very confused. I think, is this like too pure to like be held in here by pressure?
Okay.
No.
You
Well,
wanna change one?
Do you want to just, we're just not going to do this. We're just going to measure it out. Screw being accurate.
I have that on film, by the way.
Oh. I was just making sure it wasn't
Can we
something.
get like a funnel?
Oh, yeah. And we're going to measure it twice, which I know is not accurate, but I guess he's too lazy to go back to the closet.
I'm pretty sure y'all didn't want to kill the battery guy. But no, you're right. I got my E up, but not yours. That's just me.
Stuff out. 10.
Okay.
Are we just going to say it's good
So
enough?
front row, how are you feeling on your last Monday of high school ever?
It's my last Monday of high school.
It's my last Monday of junior year.
Yeah.
Junior year.
Very fancy. You gotta make sure to bring it in, next Monday, Tuesday for grad practice. Because see, me, I assumed whoever probably signed up, I signed up to work around second. I like to see all my kids, and then I see what
All that just for.
That's good enough.
I'm telling you everything.
Okay, is this the?
That's HCL.
Okay, so we already have it set up.
Yeah, I get that. Okay, and I think we should do a little like station cleanse.
Yes.
Fire hazard.
Fire hazard.
Yeah, we'll he'll be here tomorrow. If not, he was here too.
I'm so glad we got here early.
Me too. Imagine we're like, no, we have enough time. Even though my third block teacher isn't here, so. Oh, did you grab a new one?
Yeah, this one just opened. Here, I'm gonna put parafilm in it, invert.
Oh yeah, that's smart. This is very dark. Okay, wait, what color is it gonna turn?
Yellow to red.
Okay, so call me crazy, That doesn't look yellow.
We're good. Suhani, what do y'all think? is fair?
Maybe when we invert and mix, it'll turn.
Ooh, fun. Have you given Ms. Moby your chemical list, or do you just need, what do you need?
Yeah, we sent her like
Okay.
But I think we're gonna have to do it sometime after school because
Okay, this is yellow.
Are you gonna fit
That's what yellow looks like apparently.
Okay. So some of them will be gone. Oh, that's tomorrow afternoon, but they'll still be gone. Oh yeah, you won't have Miranda showing up tomorrow.
Yeah.
Who's your?
We're gonna do this over again in circle.
Oh, also, okay. So while I'm in here, how many of y'all on this side? How many of y'all wanted an AP Chemistry T-shirt? Okay, have you filled out the form?
Yes.
Natalie, did you fill out the form?
Yes, I did.
Now, the new form, not the first one. Did you fill
Yeah.
the one with your name on it?
Yeah, I didn't fill out
Did
the
you fill
first
the one with
one.
your name on it?
I filled it out.
Okay. Do you want a T-shirt? It's $20, so that's, yeah, it is what it is.
Wait.
There are a couple people who have to fill out the first one, but not the second one. So making sure you match
What?
up. The first one actually
That's
didn't.
0.01.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't matter. As long as I have your name.
Does it matter that
this
this is just like on the side?
matching up.
No.
with
Oh,
this
it's
one, so
because it's on the outside.
Okay. Sounds bueno.
Okay, do you wanna, I feel like you did good dripping. Because I can mix, you can drip.
Oh.
Hazard.
Is that
Body tissue irritant.
I wanted to see it.
Yeah, this people, it's like, oh, cool. Soluble in water, not normal. That's really great. NH2, CO.
I told her the same thing, she asked me, and I was like, yeah, but I think I'm gonna write.
Avoid all
Okay,
body
this is supposed to
tissue
between like
contact.
6.4 and 8.2, so, and if I'm right, we should
I
actually do a
see
little
some
bit
more.
Yeah. Okay, so we have these, and then we also need. Okay.
Look at the green basket, it's about knee height on the left.
Alright, okay. Okay, so on here, do we wanna try to replace these or just take off?
I can go look and see, I feel like.
That's what you said we don't have.
Yeah.
And see, this, I feel like we don't, we do, let's see, we can. Already. Huh? You started for it, yeah. So we have of these.
There's one right here, but again, this is where they have some of their stuff, so we could.
Bro,
I feel like.
That was literally one
that
drop.
was so quick.
Are y'all using this entire box of funnels?
No, no. Be for real.
So I can move this.
You can move the box of funnels. Okay, so our
Where
new,
did this go originally?
I don't know, she got it out. It's probably in the, it's so, there's like a shelf and it probably goes on the shelf.
Oh, in the wooden cabinet, just make sure the label faces out.
Okay, what is it now?
17.41?
I don't think you read on that. What do you mean?
Okay, when we think about where we started, it actually isn't as red. You're quite like, yeah, it looks like summer. Yeah. Summer. Okay.
Whoa. Cool.
I love voice buckets. Okay. You can drip it and I can hydrochloric acid it. Okay.
Because here's.
Drip drop.
Dipped a couple of songs. That's now it's 2021. Fast forward me 2023. Stacking lots of money. My grass is really green, and honestly, I can't even count them much. It's a really dirty time for me.
No, they're
Going through
going
I wouldn't drive. I mean, it's a natural plant.
But we give them this list of right here.
I don't think.
But I think
And so if they do claim to us,
Oh, then I can go grab
they
another
don't
funnel.
need two of them, because they already have that one.
It's not a probably would. What can I say? Feels good, and myself was
It'll be a
at all
label box
times
right where
low.
he put
And
out
just
the parental box.
oopsie, $100,000 oopsie. I need a
Isabella, but don't push me. I want to have to turn it. God, see the soup.
What are you talking about? I was just nodding like forward.
Oh, this is so messy. 1, 2, 3. This is dark, bro. That's crazy. I don't.
You know, we put 0.2 instead of 0.1, so that's.
Your page?
Oh my
And
god.
she knew. I didn't have to say it. I think that means we're both equally as bad.
I think they probably
Okay,
asked
wait,
their
how much?
teachers, like, hey, we're good kids, we want to put pictures of them.
11-ish?
Yeah.
Did you know that?
No, but they had said, she's like, I don't
I'll
want to
go
go out there.
here.
Yeah. But there's just a couple that have a boat about it, but luckily roads, some of them are like awkwardly jumping. And you also made a note that said, like,
I think that's it.
let me pull up. I was gonna pull up, I just remember this document, I would see if we have any notes. Because when you're trying to find, so for the flight.
What the heck?
Okay. How much is that?
It's 28.72? Yeah.
One best one.
I feel like this is just how it's, I feel like it's just
Yeah, I
that
think it's just supposed to be that
Yeah,
color.
it's just that because why would we ever be the problem? Yeah. Okay.
Is it? Wait.
So we have the.
Wait, but
We need a label? Because we.
Natalie knows where the label is.
Yes. Parker, they're in a little box.
Okay.
It's like rectangular prism shaped, and it's like eye
But
level.
these were out in the flight test too.
Okay, well he's a bit
Well, it's eye level. It's on this wall. Yes.
Okay. So see, that's just precipitation. This is just non-ionic, so they don't have to, and then color precipitate. So they're mixing these. We just need to swap something out there. You don't have that. You just want to take something else that doesn't nitrate.
What's the other weird?
Wait for it.
We can use switch me glove after this. Okay, was that? I feel like that's 4 drops. Maybe I should have done the switch your clothes after.
I grabbed the.
You cannot, thank you for asking. There's gonna be some cookies and back to
We're probably not going to need to use as much. Yeah.
Just in case one of them goes bad.
Really then.
Okay, so what we can do is we can probably measure the waivers, just be like, hey, this is how much this weighs, this is how much.
And Layla doesn't like me either.
Well, we've heard things about
It's
like
my whole,
so.
it's my whole day. But everyone she loves me, right?
Your brother talks about
Yes.
that.
Yes, I'm here, I'm here.
He sits at the little theater table, and I said something about theater, and I was like, oh, I'm excited for Layla. He's like, you know
I like your
Layla?
first drop like that.
Everyone that's seen a show knows Layla.
Right, this is-
She's the one at the bottom, that's fine. By the way, you did really good, Little Mermaid. Like, when people started cheering, I was like, first like, you did great. I'm like, look at how many friends you have too. There were like 3 of y'all that got like great stuff.
Oh, yeah, that's my mom.
I'm sorry.
No, I meant the 3 students. It was everyone that cheered for you.
The weight boat weighs 0.55 grams.
Yeah, it was so good. You,
Very
so,
handle.
Aiden and Joe,
Screw a gram.
we looked up the song from Broadway afterwards. He did better than the Broadway thing.
Oh, he does.
Fascinating.
Hilarious.
Truly useful information here.
So.
But no, I had a blast. I wanted to see if anybody has a recording with under the sea.
I know Taylor does, actually, we were just talking about it.
So we're gonna put their email for use everything.
I wanted, I had a blast.
We're gonna see
I had a
what
great
like
time.
the
Mhm.
So like,
Okay, no.
Sorry.
Well, I know
You're
what
Okay.
Well, you know what time it is?
Yeah, it's gonna be so
Time for the main event. Okay, is this our beaker for?
Is this this? Yeah. Okay. I do think we need another pipette, so I'll go grab that.
Yeah, okay.
some amount, like
so we can probably figure out.
Wait, Isabella, pipette for what? It has one in it. Yeah, it does.
But do you think
We didn't need a pipette. Okay.
Since you're gonna have to say the
I
same.
think we need some. I got this.
Okay, let's do what we did last time and move it on
This is my
over.
redemption.
This is your redemption.
We can tell, you know what? Boom. We can use stoichiometry to figure out how many moles we weigh over here. So we can figure out the mole mass of this. Because let's see. Is this in light of actually?
Oh, sorry, it starts May 14th, even later.
so we can start. We can probably begin with like 2 grades.
I didn't write down the thing for the last one.
4 grades.
And then so.
But it's okay. We'll just. We were just so
So
excited.
there's 2
Yeah.
grades.
So
So
that
like
will be,
the
okay.
ratio will be like 1 to 1. Well, actually no.
I'm gonna make a Google Doc.
In chemistry, you just have to do what's good enough. You don't have to do what's right. That's like the motto in chemistry. Yeah.
It doesn't have to be right, it just has to be close enough to looking right.
Exactly. Okay.
Okay, this is our redemption.
And I feel like we're just gonna go until we run out of NHCl. That's my theory.
Then if we're trying to do this one versus like copper, because they're both kind of green.
Yeah. Remember Parker made fun of us
Is this 0 milliliters, do you think?
during this lab for the first time.
I did.
Yep. Called us losers. I think Jonah did too. We were ridiculed
Yeah.
for wanting to
For wanting perfection.
succeed. Good job.
Okay.
Maybe stick to 3 this time.
There we go.
Oh, what, is that supposed to happen?
Okay.
It's called graph. That was also in like.
Do you want me to drip or do you want?
You can drip, and then we'll see. We can do
Times
some
have
changes.
changed.
Just say like,
Times
let's
have
not do
changed.
Yeah, again, that was like 7 months ago.
Okay, I have grown as a person so much since we first did
and
this
so has
lab.
apparently Parker.
Yes.
Apparently. Okay, now I'm being ridiculed.
Yes, star.
Mr. Klein didn't want a guest star, but
He's gonna get the star.
I'm the next best thing.
Where is Klein?
No, Klein does not get my star. No, Klein does not get my star.
Parker's a mini Klein.
okay.
Say
Are you
I'm a
ready?
mini Klein. Even though I tower over him.
Let's lock.
That's like really. Is that a thing?
They're locked in. They've already been recording for 1 hour, 8 minutes, and 45 seconds.
Maybe we should have like spliced the recording into the separate.
No, you can edit. Or no, just do whole raw video and then that's it.
This is what we're adding to the Google Classroom. It's gonna take 2 hours to upload.
I think we can do just the lab report. We'll be fine. Right? Is that what y'all are gonna say? Like a whole report? Y'all are recording your entire process?
Oh, you have to do both.
Oh, you have to record as well?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well. I mean, that's doable.
I feel like they would. Well, I don't know. Is there a lockdown, guys?
So when are we? So we about to start. So totally just. How long
I'm crazy.
I saw it. No, you're not. We're close.
What direction am I supposed to
You flip that way. I mean, you can go the other way, but it would take longer. Oh, wait.
Are you also using this ethyl alcohol as well?
No, we're done.
We're done. You can hand it to a client over here. Unless you need it.
No, we don't.
He was assigned to me in elementary.
Just go put it on the counter back there.
Okay, really? You needed help?
To the left of the distiller, not to
Oh, you helped
I
him.
helped him.
Just want to grab one of mine.
Yeah, but it's like, I don't think I was very helpful. And then we just never showed again. But like,
I wonder what would happen if we put two indicators in at the same time.
Okay, what are we at? 10, so we're very, very close.
Imagine that was it.
My heart's beating so fast.
Is that pink?
Okay.
So you, that's the thing, you're just not supposed to use it at all. Are you mid-gauge? The thing is, it's not gonna affect it, but if it did, it would be liable for paying for it, and we don't want to.
And then how much, and then we'll keep the water the same as well, right?
Yeah, probably like
Okay.
Wait, swirl it a little bit.
Our Chrome is connecting to Wi-Fi. So,
Water, milliliters.
That scared me.
But it just means we're close.
where's the files? The files and some of this.
Wait.
Okay.
So we basically mix it, put it in the microwave,
And
yeah,
Let me do.
and filter.
Oh, I thought you were using this
well, like he's
This is-
I
Oh,
just
yes,
told by like his
film as
face, he's
well.
just like, yeah. It's better.
Yeah.
It's like, he does the same question.
I can film.
So then it's
You
just
can like
like.
measure it out.
We're so
I'm fine with whatever, unless you want to do two, I
I
can
don't
film.
know. I mean, something. Do you think your kids ever want to use a Chrome?
What's up, guys? We're going to the video. It's rotating the
No!
slide.
Yeah.
No! Oh, you want me to say the-
I mean, I can record. I'm fine with it.
I'm trying to try to spin it really
You have done
fast.
this before.
Wait.
Wait. Oh my gosh.
I woke up so late.
Oh my god.
What just happened? Was it over titrated?
It doesn't look oversaturated. But we have.
No.
I mean, a little bit. I mean,
We're so close.
I don't know. I think the dad is still.
Joy, that was probably on our face.
But,
Oh
but this is like.
I mean, like that is
I just don't really.
Not pink.
quite see-through. Wow.
Okay,
I am still awake.
this is the second time I'm like, my eyes have water today.
Or cry.
No.
Okay.
It's okay to cry.
No.
Emotions are okay.
First time was. Lisa.
Oh, now you're laying on my shoes.
This doesn't count. No. This doesn't count.
Is that the waist? Is that the waist?
Yeah, we're not even gonna, like, no. And, okay,
The spirits of lab students
Okay.
passed.
that didn't happen.
didn't happen.
The 1 hour, 13 minutes, and 32 seconds. Of
Well, we
video.
did 4 different indicators.
Yeah, this is our last one.
Well, this is our 4th.
Ah, got it.
So, that didn't happen. I did use a little bit of the NOH, but,
No, y'all gotta keep that footage.
obviously, well,
Blooper reel.
there's a great, no, you'll see it. We'll send you the blooper reel.
Please do. This is already somewhat
There's
comedic.
other parts.
So I have.
I mean, it's tragic that it didn't work, but it's hilarious seeing the reaction.
13.
Okay, that's not accurate. So maybe you don't, because I got.
But